All right. My order came from Hobbii. Let's see what good stuff we got. I am an affiliate with Hobbii, and I will put the links below. I just became an affiliate, and I'm an affiliate with CJ Maxx, but I haven't been approved for all of them yet. Ooh, the Halloween yarn. Woohoo! Look at that color. That's awesome. Except for these go by numbers. So this is color 1 of the Halloween yarn. This one is color 3. I'm excited for it. This one is color 4. There's a sparkle in them. This one is color 2. And these are 98% acrylic and 2% polyester. Those would make some pretty cool shawls. And then I got some cotton 8x4 Friends cotton. This is color 26. And then I got some color 12 of We Love yarn, and it's simply cotton 8/4. Oh, I was not expecting that. That wasn't good to pull it out of the package like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wasn't even sealed or anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wasn't sealed or closed up or anything. So this is cotton. I just had my tape gun out earlier because I was packing an order. Tape that shut so it's not all over. And then I had a little red thing in here. Where'd I put it? Oh, right here. And they sent it's like a piece of candy. Yep. A piece of candy in a heart shape. Kind of sour candy. So, there you have it. That's like $100 with free shipping. And it comes from Denmark. So, I will link the links down below. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.